or something like that. But I'm gonna be waxing my eyebrows and cleaning them up because they're just growing so fast. Like 2 mirrors in front of me, so if I'm looking up or like standing like this, that's why. Or if I like turn around and look at the mirror behind me. So basically for the first part, all I did was trim them, and then I took some tweezers and just plucked some hairs. This eyebrow always looks better than this one, but you know, I don't care. Basement now, because the lighting is so much better down here, and all my waxing stuff is down here. Down here. Gotta warm it up. I really only need to wax this eyebrow, because this one looks, it's okay. But this one needs some help. Some serious TLC. This is gonna either go really bad or really good. I hope it goes good, but you know, this wax is hardening. So we shall see. Wow, I feel like this eyebrow just looks so much better. And yeah, that's all we're gonna do. Okay, well that's all she wrote. Clearly, because that's all she's doing. So I'm gonna use this stuff it comes with, just to like help the redness of it and to get some wax off my fingers. Ew, I don't like this stuff. It's so greasy feeling, but it works. Dang, guys, I didn't even put makeup on yesterday, and like there's makeup still on my eyebrows from like 2 days ago. That's so gross. This eyebrow, the best one. This one's okay. I like cut it too much, but you know, I'm gonna fill it in. It's gonna look better. I don't know what happened to the clip of me showing my eyebrows filled in, but I found this clip and this is basically what they look like now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please comment down below and subscribe for more.
Okay, it's rap pack to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all